It's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. How you doing today? Hey, I am going to be out at Automation Alley on Friday, February 21st, helping you unlock the power of LinkedIn. Can I let you in on a little secret? Come a little bit closer. I am going to have a blast, and so are you. I guarantee that I'm one of the few presenters you're ever going to see coming out wearing this fancy pink feather boa. And check out my awesome pink cap. Isn't this great? Hey, I like to have fun when I present, and I don't know about you, but I think you're going to learn better when you're having a fun time too. So let's talk about this event. This event is being offered through the Marketing and Sales Executives of Detroit. I'm coming out to deliver a hands-on LinkedIn workshop. You're going to bring with you your laptop. You're going to have your phone with you and make sure that the LinkedIn app is installed on that phone. And we're going to have a lot of fun. And guess what? Bonus alert. I'm giving away a pie that day. It'll be fun. So come on out and join me at Automation Alley on Friday, February 21st from 8:30 to 11 a.m. Visit the link below. Register now and reserve your seats. Seating is limited, so you don't want this session to get away. This is going to be a hands-on workshop. We're going to learn the secrets to optimizing your profile on LinkedIn. I'm going to teach you how to rock on LinkedIn with amazing status updates and techniques that are going to help you to further engage with your network connection. And I am going to have an absolute blast. I think you guys are going to have a blast too. I think you should come out. Don't you think you should come out? I think you should. And while you're at it, hey, why don't you click and share this video with somebody in your network? You can be a rock star just for letting them know about this amazing event. See what I'm doing there? All right, guys, well, that's it. I got to get ready for my next presentation here. My daughter calls these my Snapchat filter glasses. Aren't they just adorable little daisies on here? And I got to get my pink hat going. And if you follow me on social media, pink is my brand color, so as a marketer, you'll appreciate that. And then I got to get my pink feather boa going here because I'm getting ready to rock. Have a great day. This is Brenda Meller.